Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Synthesia Pro, create professional AI avatar videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Synthesia Pro and press enter. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the provided field. If you wish to remain logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to the main dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once logged in, explore the features available for creating AI avatar videos. You can start a new project by clicking on the Create Video option. Select your preferred AI avatar from the available options. Upload your script or type it directly into the text box provided. Adjust settings like language and voice parameters as per your requirements. When ready, click the Generate Video button. Wait for the processing to complete, and your video will be ready for viewing. Now you can share or download your professional AI avatar video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.